Okay, good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna make Waldorf salad. This is from New York, okay? So first, these are all the ingredients. Uh, Lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of black pepper and salt, and then 3 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and then half a cup of grapes, half a cup of um, celery. But unfortunately, guys, my celery is not so much anymore. So to make it half, I add onions, green onions, but there's a little celery. And then uh, 1/2 cup of walnuts. And then apples, 4 apples. Okay, to start, I'm gonna slice the apple. I already cleaned the apples and grapes, everything. Okay, I'm gonna slice it. Okay, so I'm not going to peel the apple, guys. I just include the skin because that's a lot. There's a lot of fiber. Okay, but because I clean this one very well. More a cup, so it's okay. Okay, and then next, we're gonna add the celery. And then we're gonna add the grapes. Oh, and then guys, before the eye, supposed to be, I'm gonna add the lemon juice so that the apple is not going to be black. But it's okay. I'm gonna do it in a few minutes right away. Okay, the black pepper and salt. And then the mayonnaise. Wait, I'm gonna get a little. And then we're gonna add the walnuts, guys. Okay. Mm. Okay, now I'm gonna taste. I'm gonna get a clean spoon because so that we can tell what are I'm going to need to put. Okay. Mm. Actually, I don't need to put anything. It's just enough. It's good. Mm. Mm. Okay, guys. This is our Waldorf salad. Look at. Mm. It's very yummy, guys. And then I'm gonna get a little and taste it. The grapes, the celery, the apple, the onions, and then the walnuts, and then mayonnaise, uh, lemon juice, black pepper, and salt. Oh, it's very yummy. Mm, mm, mm. It's yummy. Mm, mm, mm. It's yummy, guys. Mm. And then the walnuts. It's very good. Mm. Mm. Mhm. Mm. Yummy. It's good because it's not sweet. That's the sweetness that you can taste is from the apple and grapes. So it's very good and delicious. Okay, guys, this is our Waldorf salad. Okay, so if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D underscore, bro underscore ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on Facebook page. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page, Instagram, and to all my accounts, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and personal blog. To my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.